Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool part right here, and here's what this is another luggage, from Level 8. So I showed you guys a lot of luggages before from this brand, and this time we have another one here. So let's open up and show you guys what it looks like, even though you guys seen some of the other ones I showed you guys before. So let's take a look and see what we do get here this time. And I'll most likely just do a unboxing for now, but in the future video I'll do a comparison video of this one versus some of the other ones that they have from this brand, or comparison of anything that's similar to this design. So it's been a while since I reviewed new luggages, but we finally have a new one here. So let's take a look. Let me put this down on the ground so it's easier to take it out. So as usual from the Level 8 brand, they always provide a high quality product and high quality packaging here, if you guys can see. So this is essentially what the product looks like here. And when you guys do open it up, this is what the luggage looks like here. Looks really nice. So essentially this luggage right here is a top loading. It's getting very popular nowadays for a lot of these luggages that are the top loading. So it loads from the top, but they do have an expandable option on the side right here, which is nice. And this color on here looks really smooth and really nice when you guys do look at it and see. But this is essentially what the product looks like on here. So if you guys are also looking for a luggage that has a top loading and not like the normal one where it's like a open from the middle part here, I think they call it clamshell design. This is essentially what you guys do get. So you guys can press right here to open up the lock right here. And you guys can open it right here. And then this is essentially what the inside part looks like here. So when you guys open it up, it doesn't look too big on here, but they do have a lot of pockets on here that looks really nice and feels really nice for the quality that you guys do get on here. So that's a very big pocket there, if you guys can see. And then let me put it down so you guys can see a little bit better and it's easier for me to hold it. So let's bring the camera a little bit closer. So when you guys do bring the camera a little bit closer, this is what it looks like from up close. So we do have the reset code right here, the combination, the TSA lock right here. And then right here is pretty much what the product looks like on the bottom part here. So stitching wise, pretty nice high quality stitching that you guys do get. Wheels right here is 360 rotatable wheels, which is really nice. Right here, they do have the option for you guys to hold it right here, which you guys can always unbuckle it. However, one hand. But you guys can pretty much unbuckle this part right here to take it out if you guys don't want to hang it. Right here, we have one mini pocket and one right here. And then here we do have the option for you to press to release it. And this is pretty much all the space that you guys do get if you guys don't expand it. So looking at the space right here, it doesn't seem like a lot of space, which makes a lot of sense since this is a carry-on option. In terms of the size, I think my other luggage might be a little bit bigger, looking at what you guys do get, but I might be wrong. But maybe you guys can fit a lot more stuff once you guys expand it and start actually putting stuff in here. It's still a good amount of space, but that makes a lot of sense for a carry-on bag to not be able to put a lot of stuff in there since it's a carry-on bag. I think this one was like a 20-inch one as well. I don't know if it says on here. Yeah, I don't know if it says on here, but it is 20-inch on here from what I remember. They do use the recycled material, so that's pretty cool. They have a handle right here on the side, handle right here on the top. And when you guys close it back up, they have that very nice logo, the Level 8 logo on there that looks pretty nice as well. And then on the back part right here is the very high quality zipper for expanding the actual luggage itself, which is pretty cool. So I definitely will need to do a comparison video of my other current luggage that I do use from Samsonite, which is really nice and high quality. One thing that I do notice on here, it doesn't have the side thing where you guys can put it down on the ground. It won't shift around and move around. I'll talk about it in a different video when you guys do see it. But right here is what the back part looks like right here. So 360 rotatable wheels and a nice handle right here for you guys to use. Pretty easy and very smooth to use, if you can see. So yeah, that's essentially what you guys do get for this luggage right here. It looks pretty nice and very high quality for what you guys do get. Let me put this down on the ground and see what it looks like when we actually do roll it around. All right, so let me close it back up first. Let's bring this up. So it's 360 rotatable, if you guys can see right here. Let me see if you guys can see the video. Yes, you guys can. So 360 rotatable, you guys can walk around like this, very easy and very smooth. It feels pretty nice as well, nice little handle and pretty good grip. You guys can also go like this if you guys want to roll like that. At certain locations, you might have to use like this. There's been multiple times when I'm traveling where I have to use the luggage like that way because this way wouldn't work at certain areas. Very smooth to bring it up and down. You guys can carry right here or carry right here. So everything feels pretty nice and very high quality and very nice top opening option. I think if there's anything I wish that this product has is the thing that you guys seen in my other video for compare like the Samsonite luggage that I buy from Japan or Asia. They have a thing where you guys can press right here and it locks the wheel, and that's pretty nice and convenient. I wish they had the option available for here, so that way if I were to leave it somewhere, it won't move around and it locks in that position until I unlock it. So hopefully this brand is able to make one of those in the future. That'd be really cool, and that'd be the perfect product. And it's definitely gonna be my go-to luggage if they do have that. But yeah, that's essentially everything on here. Before I do end the video, I do want to expand it and see how big the space is when you guys do open it up. All right. So this is essentially all the space that you guys do get for the product here, you can see. But once you guys do expand it, you get slightly more space. So that's how much more space you guys do get for the outside part right here when you guys look at it and see. So maybe the inch or so. And when you guys open the inside to see what the inside part looks like, it definitely looks a little bit bigger when you guys do look at the inside part right here, you can see. And then one thing I just realized I've got to show you guys inside here, they also have another little zipper compartment here as well to store stuff there, so that's pretty neat. Keep things hidden. So that's essentially everything that you guys do get for this product here. So pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, like I mentioned for the product, I think it's really worth it for what you guys do get. But if they were able to add that one thing that I mentioned, how if you guys can lock the wheels, that'll be even more worth it. But for the quality of what you guys get for the luggage and everything, really nice. Another cool product from Level 8 that does not disappoint. So recommend checking it out if you guys do want one of these here.